What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE and welcome back to my channel. Honestly, I don't feel the need to keep saying that if these videos are gonna be back to back. But y'all like my braces? I got the dark light blue on the top and the dark blue on the bottom. You guys can't see this tooth yet. I don't know if you guys... Did I tell you guys about that surgery? Alright, this video's not about that. But I'm back today with another hair review. Of course, I already explained to you guys you're going to be getting hair reviews back to back because I'm backed up right now because I do not have a camera. So I'm going to keep repeating this in every video just in case someone skips the other video. And like I said, I am no longer promoting natural color hair. For right now, I'm only going to be doing 613 and colored hair. If you're a company that want me to promote 613 or colored hair, by all means, you can hit me in my inbox. But yeah. So I am back today with Arabella hair, y'all. I've had Arabella hair before and I honestly loved it. What hair was it? I honestly don't know. But I know I had Arabella before. I think, was the Arabella the green or was the Arabella? I feel like Arabella was colored, yes. Oh, Arabella was my blue. Arabella was my royal blue. I love that wig. So this time I am back again with Arabella, y'all. And this wig is 20 inches. Oh, this is a 360 wig, y'all. Okay, so y'all know before I had a 360 wig with a previous company, Malungo, but I wasn't sure like how to rock a 360 wig. Like I didn't know how to do it. So with this wig, we're gonna learn together. Not learn, but I know how to, but I'm still gonna do it on camera for you guys because I've never worked with I've never worked with a 360 wig on camera. So I'm going to be showing you guys, in another video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to bleach, pluck, and everything. And this is dead a 360 wig, y'all. I'm going to be putting this baby up. Oh my God. But why it looks like I got the same, why look, I keep getting curly hair, nah? What is wrong? Oh my God, I can't wait. Y'all, look at this. 360 baby, 360 baby, and this hair feels so thick. My God, this feels more like 250 density. What wave is this? This wave is pretty as, I don't want to curse. This wave is pretty. Oh my God. All right, but you have the adjustable bands. Oh, I can still adjust it. So, oh, but how would I glue down the back of my head? See, that's my only thing. That was my only thing, like gluing down the back of my head. I probably need somebody to do it for me in the back. But then again, I know how the back of my head feels. Like, I know how it feels. But this wig is so pretty and it's thick. And this is 20. This is 20? Yeah, this is 20. Let me look this up. What type of wave is that? That wave is pretty. Oh my God. I'm looking at the wrong thing, y'all. I was reading March this whole time. That's how long I've been talking to this company. That's crazy. Wow, I did Arabella a couple times. Okay, so let me go to May because I was bugging this now. Okay. So this wig right here is loose wave. Oh, loose wave, y'all. I don't think I ever had loose wave, and I love the way loose wave look, y'all. You ever got loose wave as a bundle? Y'all, that joint is so curly. I love the way it looks. But this is a 360 loose wave frontal wig, 20 inches, y'all. And I have a coupon code that you guys can get. It's AYTB7 to get 7% off. It's gonna be right here on the screen anyway. But y'all, this hair is popping. I'm ready to rock this hair. Now, another problem I'm gonna have with this hair. With this hair. Well, it's not a problem, but it's like, what can I do with this wig, y'all? Just to make it different from the rest of my curly wigs. You know what I'm saying? So Arabella could pop out. You feel me? So I need y'all to leave down any ideas. You guys know, honestly, I've always been that person who's open to do anything when it comes to hair. Like, literally, still to this day, even though I don't color my natural hair no more, people still be like, yo, do this color. Do this color. And I'll do it because I love trying new things. And that's why I think I've done like the whole rainbow already, y'all. I've done the whole rainbow. I still got colors I want to do, like the pastel colors. in the half and half. I have a half and half video coming for you guys too, but stay tuned. Yeah, so guys, leave down ideas below on what to do with this hair. I don't know what I might do with it because it's so thick, so I'm honestly scared to bleach it and I don't want to mess up this curl pattern. But loose wave is so pretty. I'm gonna put this wig on now, but I really don't feel like taking off this wig I have on. Like, that's gonna be, it's too much work and it's too hot. But yeah, I can't wait to put this wig on, man. I'm gonna really like try to work out this 360 stuff because, like I said, this stuff is new to me. I just did the adjustable band. That's how it looks when you adjust. I always make my adjustable bands tight because I have a little head. I have a little but yet big head. But yeah, y'all, I'm jacking this frontal. There's no shedding. The hair is so thick. Oh my god. I wish you guys can feel this. Like, this hair is so thick. I'm kind of scared to even install it because it's gonna be too hot for this, y'all. It's too hot. And it's just getting hotter every day. And we're not even in summer yet. But the plucking looks good. The plucking looks real good. But like I said, you guys know my favorite phrase. I'm gonna go in and do a little more plucking, y'all. But if you guys are interested in this wig, all the hair details will be down below. Don't forget to use that coupon code to get money off. On the road to 36K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
You are packing the air, this gas or what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him up. Give my shorty stingers and guns, I tell them slap for nothing.